Hello gurus, and welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin is having a bit of a pump here. We're coming close to a support, a resistance. If we can break through this resistance, this is a good sign. Stock market had a big bounce back. Big congratulations anyone that followed my live trades. The join button down below. I bought Facebook yesterday. I said buying the blood, and today Facebook had an 18% pump after hours on good earnings, which is beautiful. I bought huge amounts of Facebook recently, so this 18% pump for me is quite a lot of money. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. I'll look at Facebook as well. Hit the subscribe button. Join almost, I think, 73,000 people now. Smash up the thumbs up button. Updates on Magicraft. We've got an amazing kind of partnership and concept coming out with the NFTs. I can't wait to show you. We hinted a little bit about it on Twitter. It's going to be epic. NFTs are being created, the smart contracts being created. We have an amazing smart contract development team now in-house, which is very beautiful. They're amazing, very high quality developers. Smart contract engineers are some of the most highest paid and smartest people that I've ever worked with. And we have 6 of them, so we have really cool stuff coming out with the NFTs, NFT marketplace. We're creating some new concepts with the NFTs for Magicraft. The MVP of the game is being worked on and coming soon. And it's just a lot of amazing stuff coming together. Hit the subscribe button. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to technicals for Bitcoin. And here you can see on the 4 hourly, we're having a big pump up on Bitcoin right now. A massive bounce of 37,750. Huge bounce. Let's look on the daily. On the daily, you can see we're getting to this big resistance point here. Now, this is the point. So this is the price of Bitcoin. If you don't know what this is the price of Bitcoin moving over time. So you can see that Bitcoin's been moving over time like this between 39,000 and towards the 49,000. So about a $10,000 movement for the last few months. Now we got quite a big bounce off this major support at 37,750, exactly on the line. Now, if we can break above this resistance here at the 40,000, this will be very bullish for Bitcoin. We need to break above, get above, and start heading up. So this point here is either we're going to break up and remain bullish, or we're going to get rejected here, and this could be dangerous for Bitcoin. So this point here is super important. It looks like we're about to break out of it right now. Now we have a good bullish pattern on the daily. We have a broadening megaphone. This is a broadening megaphone pattern, and this is usually a bullish pattern to the upside. Usually it works like this with a broadening megaphone. It's bounce, 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 and then break to the upside. So right now it's looking good actually for Bitcoin, but this is the point of strong resistance. I will go long on Bitcoin if we break up here. I could actually go long with a tight stop loss here, a stop loss below 37,000, and go long on Bitcoin. But this is the point of resistance. The next resistance after that is coming above here at 44,000. So if we break here, 44,000, very possible. And if we get through there, the next major resistance is 48,000. So if we can get above here, this will be very bullish for Bitcoin. And it looks pretty good right now on the EMA ribbons. We are coming towards the EMA ribbon, so this is the point that's important. If we get rejected here, I would rather wait to go long on Bitcoin till after we're through the EMA ribbons. That's better, because if we get rejected here, but I can open a tight stop loss and go for a long here on Bitcoin. If we get rejected, then it can come down to the 33,000. Crypto Guru bot is still firing at sell. It hasn't fired a buy yet. Bitcoin indicator bot hasn't either fired a buy, which is quite interesting. So neither of the bots have fired a buy yet. You get them in the master course. RSI though is looking very bullish. It's oversold heading up. So it's very bullish and more to run for Bitcoin. Stochastic is also turning up. It looks bullish. And MACD is also turning up and just getting started. So in my opinion, we are going to go for a run right now towards the 44,000 and then the 48,000. But it's this point right here that's the important point to break through for Bitcoin. On the 4 hourly, that was on the daily, sorry. On the 4 hourly, RSI heading up. We've got more to run. Stochastic turning to head up on the 4 hourly. Very bullish. MACD coming up. It's all looking very nice on the 4 hourly. On the daily, was the previous ones. EMA ribbons, we're already through the EMA ribbons on the 4 hourly. If we don't look at it, got rejected a little bit and it's bouncing back again. But it seems to be pushing through, so this could be really good for Bitcoin. On the Bitcoin indicator bot on the 4 hourly did fire a buy actually. Crypto Guru bot still firing a sell. On the hourly, we got rejected a little bit twice and it's pushing through, so I'm going to actually go long here. This is also a W formation we've got on Bitcoin, everyone. This is a nice formation. We've got a W. This was a good recovery. Bitcoin looks like it's about to break through, so I'm going to go long here with a tight stop loss. So I'm going to open a long on Bitcoin here. I'm going to show you my trades right now. So I'm going to go long on Bitcoin and I'm going to buy 1 Bitcoin here. I'm going to go long here I'm going to put a stop loss just below this major resistance here, 38,900, and I'm going to put my take profit on this trade. This will be a big one up here at $50,000. So I'm making an 11 ratio trade. That's amazing. I'm risking $927 to make $10,000 unleveraged. So I'm risking $927 to make $10,000. If I use 10x leverage, that's $100,000 of profit. So it's a really nice trade to be taking here. It's 11 ratio trade. Every dollar I'm risking, it's to make $11 of profit. So it's a very good risk to reward here. And I can put a very tight stop loss here. Because if it gets rejected, but I think it's going to actually break through. This is nice, but right now we're on the line. But the reason I think it's going to break through is we got rejected once, we got pushed down, and then we're going for it again. So it got rejected off 39,800, then pushed back, then went again the next hourly candle. So Bitcoin looks like it's going to break through. So I'm going to open a trade here. If you want to open a trade like you're seeing me do, underneath the video in the description and pinned comment, you can sign up 8,200 USD sign up bonus. If you sign up to Bybit, you get $4,600 US when you sign up to Bybit. And if you're using other exchanges, you're getting liquidated, you have high fees, the exchanges are getting hacked. Bybit is one of my favorite exchanges. So when you go down in the description and pinned comment of this video, you go to Bybit link, this one here, James Crypto Guru Bybit, you sign up, you click it, you sign up, you get $4,600 US of bonuses when you deposit Bitcoin. You can use NordVPN if you have any country restrictions. This will then open my trading software that I'm using. Here in this account, I have $210,000 US. It's all USDT, and I've got some USDC that I moved over there today. And I'm going to go long in Bitcoin. So I've got $210,000 US. It's all USD. I'm going to buy one Bitcoin here because it's looking quite good. I'm going to also buy BIT, I think, here. So I'm going to buy one Bitcoin here. Confirm at the current price. Buying. I just bought one Bitcoin. I'm going to open a long on Bitcoin here. At this current price, I'm going to go long with a $2,000 trade, which will be 10x leverage, so it'll be $20,000. I'm going to open at the current price, $2,000, confirm, opening a long on Bitcoin. So now I've got a long open on Bitcoin. My take profit is going to be $50,000, and my stop loss is going to be at 38,900. 38,900. So I'm risking $437 to make $5,000, an excellent more than 11 time ratio trade. So my long is now open for Bitcoin. I've bought one Bitcoin now, so you can see here I've got one full Bitcoin, 0.99 of a Bitcoin, 39,000. I've got still $136,000 US, and I've gone long on Bitcoin here. But this is the resistance point, so it's very important. This is the point that we need to break through for Bitcoin. This is the point we need to break through to go really bullish, and then the target would be that 50k upper end of this channel, which would be beautiful. Let's look at some altcoins. Altcoins are pumping. Ape has gone up a lot. If you've been following Ape, it's almost doubled since they announced they're going to do a land sale. BNB is looking quite bullish, actually. BNB is very nice. BNB is Binance's token. It came very close to this major support line down here at 364, but we're getting quite a good bounce here on BNB, and it looks bullish. Let's see if this made a higher low as well, which is very bullish sign. This is BNB, and we've also got this kind of channel. So it's making a channel right now on BNB. It's an ascending wedge, so the upper end of this target will be here. So BNB, $470 will be a nice, it's about 15% from where we are right now. So BNB is a potential trade. Facebook is going to open 18% up, guys, everyone. BIT is also looking really nice. I like BIT right now. The upper end, it's making a symmetrical triangle. So it's bouncing here, and I think it will bounce to the break to the upside. So this could be a big movement for BNB, for BIT. And we've also got volume increasing on BIT. RSI is heading up. It looks very bullish for BIT overall. BIT is Bybit's token. The RSI is turning up, coiling. I'm going to open a long. I'm going to buy some BIT here as well, because it seems to have a very strong bottom down here. So I'm going to buy $30,000 of BIT, which I'm buying right now. Confirmed, buying BIT. So now I'm going to be holding Bitcoin and BIT, which is beautiful. And my Bitcoin long is now open. Those are my trades. Also, I want to show you Facebook. This is me calling Facebook the last days, like booyah. So here I was saying, I bought the blood on Facebook. This was 2 days ago when I started buying Facebook. I've been buying it for a while recently, but I said I bought the blood as Facebook came down to this major support. Then I said I bought more Facebook stock after hours, coming back to main trend line, going back to its IPO. This was the main trend line. It went from $384 down to $173. I bought the blood on Facebook. That's what I posted. Now check this out. Facebook pumping, and this is one of the comments. Man, you called it on Facebook. Look at this. Facebook is up 18% after hours to $207, 18%, and I bought a huge amount of it. Facebook up 18% after hours. This is what I shared on Twitter. You can follow me on Twitter, James Crypto Guru. I nearly have 30,000 followers on Twitter now. Everyone was going short on a company that had dropped 50% already. Facebook revenues and profits are one of the best of all companies in the world. Half the world uses one of Facebook's product daily. WhatsApp isn't even monetized yet, and I was buying it, and then after hours yesterday they went up 18%. So Facebook is pumping. This is a huge one for me. Look at that, after hours $32 up on Facebook, which is beautiful. This is a Model F Magicraft sticker that we're going to be putting. I can't announce it yet, but it's something to do with our NFTs and Tesla, which is going to be epic, everyone. So pay attention to it. Man, you called it on Facebook. Elon Musk, just after acquiring Twitter, Elon Musk, Carl H, I fired 12 floors of people. So Elon Musk is going to make some changes at Twitter, which is funny. What else do I have to show you? This is one of the characters, the warrior character, coming to life. It was just drawings before, and this is him coming to life, which is cool. Hey James, I see a lot of haters here. Please keep making videos. Don't let them put you down. We need you in the crypto community. All the love. Thank you, Alex. I have notifications on, and I literally watch every single one of your videos since a year. Amazing work. You're very strong on the TA. More importantly, great attitude to learn from. Thank you guys, and big congratulations on Facebook, everyone, which is amazing, up 18% after us. This is one of the Magicraft hats coming as well, which is going to be cool. We're going to be making some Magicraft hats and handing them out. And yes, we're also hiring voiceover artists. If you want to join our team is growing so massive for the Crypto Guru team and for Magicraft team. It's huge. More than 100 people now. We have smart contract developers in-house, HR, accountants, lawyers, CTO, CEO, quality control testers. Devoted Studios, one of the biggest gaming studios in the world, is working on MCRT. So it's growing like crazy, which is very, very exciting. Even in the bear market, my team is working, and we're working hard every day almost, and it's more than 100 people. So pay attention to MCRT, $MCRT. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.